One. All right. So this is Jean-Marc St. Laurent here. You're a LinkedIn lead generation guy, and I'm sitting here talking with Mr. Chris Ralph. How are you doing today, Chris?
Oh, living the dream every day, Shomara. How are you?
Gosh, it is so good to talk to you because I know typically when I try to reach out to you, you're running across the globe teaching folks from one side of the planet to the other. So I mean, what do you do, Chris? What are you up to these days?
Oh man, what do I not do? No. I'm a digital marketing expert, and I run Boulder SEO Marketing, a SEO digital marketing agency in Boulder and Denver, and an office in London. And then I really enjoy teaching and speaking about digital marketing. And one of my favorite topics is LinkedIn. And Sean, Mark, you and I are actually going to offer a social selling, how to take advantage of LinkedIn class. So we'll tell more about that toward the end. But yeah, I love life, getting invited to speak all over the world, and it's a blast. I love it.
Nice, nice. Now, talking about your recent activities, I heard you'd recently worked with major Fortune 500 company. How was that? What were you doing for them?
Yeah. So, well, I get requests quite often from these big tech companies. Oftentimes, they just need a little bit of help pulling strings together, getting them organized, getting the teams talk together, the tech team with the technical writing team, with the marketing team. Digital marketing has become sort of complex, and it's not rocket science. It's just like getting these people to talk to each other and then take advantage of all the tools that are available out there to get them more visibility in online search and all these social media platforms, etc.
Nice. Now, as you know, a lot of the folks that I'm connected with, they're in the technology and internet space. So how is the work you do with marketing, how is that important for technology and internet companies?
Well, the internet drives business. And the story. When was the last time you picked up the yellow pages or?
Oh man, I remember that.
I know, it's like nowadays we talk into these things that also happen to make phone calls.
Yeah.
We perform online searches to find the stuff that we're looking for, and when it comes to, let's talk about LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a Google darling, so I figured out how to optimize LinkedIn for online search. For example, if you do a search for SEO agency Boulder, and if you're listening to this interview, I encourage you to do a Google search, SEO agency Boulder, you see that my LinkedIn company page is actually showing up on page number 1, even before many of my competitors' websites. So I use it as a competitive off-page SEO tactic to push down my competition. Most of the clicks will go to the first 3 to 4 organic, natural search results. I'd rather get these people to my website or my LinkedIn entity than to my competitors' website. Yeah.
Wow. Wow. So you're talking about off-page SEO. How does that really impact marketing effectiveness and sales for companies?
Well, it's one of the strategies that, it's so underutilized by, when I talk to these big tech companies. Sadly, they do not take advantage of it. They do have the resources, the time, the people, the money to invest into this. It's so easy, but it's just not being done. And you can totally dominate page number 1 on Google for your target SEO keywords using these off-page SEO strategies. And, we're going to talk about this in our workshop. It's the easiest thing that you can do, and probably one of the most effective strategies that you can do to get more leads, sales, generate more sales. Yeah.
Awesome. So last question I have here, how can people connect with you?
Well, LinkedIn. I'm on LinkedIn. Just do a search just type in Chris Ralph.
Yeah.
Search box, you'll find my personal LinkedIn profile. If you do a search for Boulder SEO marketing, you'll find my LinkedIn company page. Yeah, that's probably one of the easiest ways. And then simply go to either boulderseomarketing.com or chrisralph.com. And yeah, reach out. I'm happy to talk. Yeah, that's probably the easiest way to connect with me.
Nice, nice. And as you mentioned before, we're doing that event together, and you're going to be talking about LinkedIn and how that helps as far as content goes.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt there, but LinkedIn is a content marketing power machine. And, again, sadly, many companies, people don't take advantage of the functionality that LinkedIn is offering. It's so easy and so effective. So I'll be talking about the content marketing aspect, how to do off-page optimization through LinkedIn. But I'd be interested to hear, what are you going to talk about in our session?
Yes, I will be talking about how companies can find, connect, and eventually get on a sales call with their top prospects. Again, it's something that a lot of companies aren't using LinkedIn for. Many folks connect with the right prospects, but they're not talking with them about things that could benefit them. So I'm going to also be sharing the stage with not only you, but a fellow business owner that just landed a 6-figure deal with a major tech company using LinkedIn strategies. So, I'm looking forward to that event with you.
Well, likewise, I get bombarded with so many, people don't get how to use LinkedIn
Yeah.
correctly to do outbound marketing, right? Lead generation. You figured it out. So I'm super excited to learn your methodology and how
All
your customer has landed this deal.
right, sweet. Same
Cool.
here. So, Chris, I just want to thank you very much for taking this time out. I know you're a busy guy, but yeah, I look forward to connecting with you soon.
Sounds awesome. Mark. I'll talk to you soon, huh?
All right.
Thank you.